Hello and welcome to another demo of the Paragraphs Bundles. My name is Ala Haddad and I'm the developer of the Paragraphs Bundles module, and today we're talking about the Drupal block paragraph bundle. What it is exactly. So in order for me uh, to start, I have a demo site, and that demo site has the required modules, the paragraphs and the field group and the paragraphs bundles installed. So let's go start. I'm gonna start with the Drupal block because that's what I want. Paragraph bundle block. This is the one, the Drupal block. So install, and of course gonna ask to install the paragraph bundles, the main one or the default. After install, I have a content type and I added the paragraph field inside it. This one, so let's add paragraph and Drupal block. What it is exactly? So if I click here, this is what I want to show. So you see here by default, here the tricky part. These are the paragraph, the blocks created by Drupal core, Contrib, or anything module. You would get them here. So if you want to print the breadcrumbs, or if you want to print, and let's get something obvious. Uh, Refresh the page. Add title, add paragraph, Drupal block, and if we start user menu, for example. And here's actually, this is a good example. So here you get, this is the menu for Oliver. You could print it. So if we click save, this is the menu. Here it is. So inside this one also, as just like any other paragraphs bundles, you will always see display, and you could have a background, pick the background, color, background, text, all this stuff. The same. I'm not gonna go through, but this is exactly the same as all the rest of these paragraphs bundles. So you could manipulate and change. Doesn't need any required jQuery or JavaScript or anything. They're all standalone, and this is the menu. So now I want to show you something, because we used, first of all, this is the most confusing thing, because you may seen that before or no. So you have installed theme, these two themes. So what's happening here, if I go to the edit, and when you click on this one and you try to get, you will always get, so user menu, if I click, I try to get user menu, I have user status message 1 and 2. This is for two themes installed. So this one, Claro, you see, and Oliver. If I want to add, so that's how much you be careful when you're using this block. You want to know exactly which block you're really printing. So this one I can add here, for example. This one doesn't have, I think because the other theme, I want to give you the user menu here. I'm going to click this one and save. And I'm just going to go and enable another theme. So you can see what's happening. So let's go enable this one. And now I'm just going to go content, edit. So if I click this one, this is the first one, user. So now you see two menus. So what is the second one? This is the solo, the theme I just installed. So you always be careful. If you use this reference block, you should know that you are referencing the blocks because the theme is installed. If the theme get uninstalled, you're not gonna have these blocks anymore. This is how much it's confusing sometimes. And this is way different than the other demo I did for the block content, which reference content. Just like if I say nude reference, this is a block reference. It's different than reference block created by the theme or contrib or the system. This is the main difference between these blocks and the other blocks. I hope you like the demo. See you on the next one.